Hi, this is MarqueeCrew, and I'd like to show you how quick and easy it is to get Veritone's aiWARE running on your Alteryx workstation. You can go to veritone.com/aiWARE to find out more about the product. I've come to gallery.alteryx.com where I'm doing a search for Veritone, and there I will see an application which you can run, but built into the description is the install of the tools and helper macros. And I'm going to left click on that, and we will see that an install YXI has been downloaded. I'm now going to click on that YXI file. It's a tool installer, and I'm going to install. And it's going to set up and install the application and tools for you on top of your Alteryx. And so what I'm going to do is just pause here and wait for the installation to be completed. Installation is successful. The install, 1 minute. We found the Veritone tools in the laboratory, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this run aiWARE, and I can sign up for aiWARE here or enter credentials below. So let me go and set up another user on this application, and it's as easy as sign up for free. So we'll enter in the email address, but you've just got to enter in this limited information. I'm not a robot. Tell it where the traffic lights are, etc., and then hit enter and create account. And you'll be ready to test and run aiWARE that quickly. Have a great day. Cheers.